You're welcome to today's tutorial on our StockSavi inventory management system. Okay, now on this video, we're putting you through some other things that you can find on our StockSavi inventory system. But before we go into that, please do not forget to like, comment, and share, and also click the notification button so that when next you come online, you will be notified. All right. Before I go into details of what we'll be talking about today, we still get questions concerning what is StockSavi. In summary, StockSavi is an inventory management system that helps you to organize your store, keeps you abreast of what is happening in your store, gives you a day-to-day, time-to-time real-time information regarding what is happening in your business. As a matter of fact, in summary, it gives you it makes you feel as if you are present in the store where the transactions are taking place. So you can confidently say StockSavi is your friend. It keeps you abreast, gives you time-to-time information of your store, your stock, your warehouse, and even the users on your StockSavi, every of their activities. All right, so please feel free to ask other questions. We'll definitely respond. Okay, now the last time we were online, we talked about how to set up your store, how to set up your warehouse. We've done other things. Today we'll be looking at our inventory. Now, inventory entails what we sell, the products we have in our store, how we sell them, and all that. Now, because of our time, I'll be giving you just a quick guide on how to set up your products. Now, for the kind of business that we do is say what kind of unit and what unit do we sell? Do we sell in dozen? Do we sell in bundles? So if we'll set up, let's say we sell in dozen, we'll put a dozen here. All right, and we'll submit. Okay, unit with this name already exists. Okay, so is it that way using, if you're not, if already, like, you can come here, for example, you'll see the unit list of what we have prior to now. We have pieces, we have in carton, we have in bundle, we have etc. You can see it's a laundry list of items that we sell. So every way it is sold is being duplicated here. Okay, after that we go to the brands. What kind of brands do we sell? As you can see, the different brands are here. You can take as many as you can. As you can see, I'm trying to even open. If you have up to 100 brands on this, we'll be able to see. In case you do not have, let's assume that we would not have any brand. Let's say brand DHL, for example. So we come here, we add a brand. To add the brand, we just use DHL. Like I said, let's say we are assuming that DHL is, of course, is a brand. Let's say we are selling a product with the brand DHL. After putting that as a brand name, we come here, we click on submit. You see, brand already successfully added. You can see it here, DHL. Okay, and after that, you can add as many brands as you have so that you can easily align your products according to their brand. It is easy to access that way. Now, under what brand, since we're using DHL, under what brand does it come? Under what category rather does it come under? That will be courier services. Courier services. So we'll put courier services there and we'll come to submit it. Alright, as you can see, category created successfully. Now we'll now go to the products. What kind of products do we have under DHL? You understand? So we'll come here, want to add products. Let's assume that the product name is deliveries. All right, I'm just trying to use this as a guide. Deliveries. Under what category do you have deliveries? Remember, we already said go category courier services. All right, so come here, we'll click it. Under what brand? I said DHL. Right, we'll come here, we'll click it. On what unit do we sell in? You can sell in box. All right, because of course most of our deliveries go in boxes. Product cost. What's the cost of the delivery? Let's say 15,000. All right, and let's say that's a cost price. Then the selling price, let's say 20,000. I'm just trying to fine-tune this so that you can for the purpose of this lecture. Okay, so every other thing, if you're selling VAT, with VAT you put VAT inclusive. You don't sell with VAT, you live with VAT exclusive. You put the VAT if you sell with VAT and quantity alerts. Please, you can see every other information I need to fill here. Do not forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks.